Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna build an exhaust for the Datsun. Until now it has been a full open pipe from the turbo down and it sounds a little bit like this. But from today on we're gonna build a full exhaust. I already have some parts laying around, I got some steel. We're gonna weld it, we're gonna make it a TIG weld because I want to make sure that everything gets TIG welded and I want to learn to TIG weld, so that's perfect. So let's see what I bought to build this exhaust.
Okay, so first off I bought this straight pipe. That's just a 70mm with 2mm thickness. And I bought this very long, I think it's a tractor exhaust. Okay, so in the beginning I just wanted to make sure that everything would fit. So I took one of the 90-degree angles that I got and I placed them against the tube that I got for the turbo. So after doing this for about 25 minutes, I found some angles that I had to cut. So with some tape and this very nice trick that I learned with a tie wrap, I drawed some lines and cut up the tubes to fit perfectly on the exhaust. So after TIG welding the piece that goes in the engine bay, I needed to figure out which angles I needed for the rest of the exhaust. So you see me here fucking around a little bit with the measurements, but they all came out very nice. So after welding everything up, I installed the exhaust on the side of the car. It looks very nice, it's very straight, and I also made a little fitting for the exhaust to hang by. Okay, so by this point I remember that I forgot to film a sound clip of the new exhaust because I was too excited and it was like 2 AM in the morning when it was finished. So check the video right here.
Okay, so as you can see in the last part, we completely installed the muffler. It's an open pipe, but whatever. It's a side exit exhaust, I love it. It sounds amazing. And then we have some extra parts right here. From Full Car Tuning, not my sponsor. If you want to sponsor me, please do. But as the title of the video will say, it's the intake and the exhaust system. So what I have in here is the full intake system and also a wastegate, because we need a wastegate if you don't want to run infinite boost. I'm not going to run a blow-off valve for now because I like the turbo fluttering and whatever. So for now we're just going to use a wastegate because we need it, and we're going to skip the blow-off valve. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so in this box there are some pretty basic stuff. It's all brand new, but I just placed it on this nasty ass table. So we have this aluminium tube from QSP as well. We have some silicone tubing that we need for the bends. Very basic and all. We have a lot of hose clamps. And maybe even the most beautiful part is this wastegate. It's huge. I have pretty big hands, but this is like almost the size of my hand. It looks very nice. It isn't a V-band clamp, but that doesn't really matter to me. I want to place it and don't touch it anyway anymore. So I have to find a little place for this. I have some tubing left, so we'll make it look nice. But first we're gonna install this tubing. I'm not even gonna film this because it probably just is me welding again. And it's probably going somewhere around here like this and then going down and whatever, so it's nothing special, and I don't want to film that and make the video any longer than it has to be. So let's install these parts. Okay, so that sums up pretty much the video. The exhaust system is complete. The intake system, it was like 5 minutes work. It's all lined up. I did take it off right here on the turbo because I don't want to run any boost right now because the car hasn't been tuned yet. So the next part will be the suspension, because I got this really nice box over there with a coilover kit. So we're gonna do that in the next video that I'm gonna film today as well, but I haven't uploaded it probably. So like and subscribe please, and I'll see you guys next time.